Let's explore sending emails using PHP with the PHP Library, which is an advanced email sending solution. PHP Mailer offers a range of features that enhance your email sending capabilities. It provides professional email sending capabilities, ensuring your messages are delivered reliably. It also supports SMTP authentication, providing secure connections to your email server. You can easily attach files to your emails, such as documents and images. Design engaging emails using HTML email templates, allowing you to create visually appealing content. Let's get started by installing PHP Mailer. The recommended way to install PHP Mailer is using Composer, a dependency management tool for PHP. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project's root directory. Then, run the following command: composer require fmailer/fmailer. This command will download and install PHP Mailer and its dependencies into your project. Now that PHP Mailer is installed, let's set it up in your PHP script. Start by importing the necessary PHP Mailer classes. Use the use keyword to import the PHP Mailer, SMTP, and exception classes from the PHP Mailer namespace. Next, include the Composer autoloader file, which is located in the vendor directory. This autoloader will automatically load the PHP Mailer classes. Finally, create a new instance of the PHP Mailer class. Pass true as a parameter to enable exception handling, which will help you catch any errors during the email sending process. This creates a mail object that you can use to configure and send emails. To send emails using PHP Mailer, you need to configure the SMTP settings. Enable SMTP by calling the isSMTP method on the mail object. Then, set the host property to your SMTP server address, such as smtp@gmail.com for Gmail. Enable SMTP authentication by setting the SMTP auth property to true. Provide your email address and app password for authentication. Note: for Gmail, you may need to generate an app password in your Google account settings. Specify the encryption protocol to use, such as PHP Mailer, ENCRYPDAWN_startles for TLS encryption. Finally, set the port property to the appropriate port number for your SMTP server. For example, port number 587 is commonly used for TLS encryption. Now let's set up the email content. First, specify the sender's email address and name using the setFrom method. Provide the email address and the name that you want to display as the sender. Next, add the recipient's email address using the addAddress method. This is where the email will be sent. To set the email content, indicate that you will be using HTML by setting the isHTML property to true. Set the email subject using the subject property. Then, set the HTML content of the email using the body property. You can use HTML tags to format the content, such as headings, paragraphs, and images. If the recipient's email client does not support HTML, you can provide plain text content using the alt-body property. PHP Mailer makes it easy to attach files to your emails. To add a regular file attachment, use the addAttachment method. Provide the path to the file and the name that you want to display as the attachment. You can also embed images directly into your email content. Use the addEmbeddedImage method to embed an image. Provide the path to the image file and a unique identifier for the image. Then, you can reference the embedded image in your HTML content using the SIT protocol, followed by the image identifier. Now that you have configured the SMTP settings and set up the email content, you're ready to send the email. Use a try-catch block to handle any exceptions that may occur during the email sending process. Inside the try block, call the send method on the mail object to send the email. If the email is sent successfully, display a success message. If an exception occurs, catch it and display an error message along with the error information. In summary, PHP Mailer provides a comprehensive solution for sending emails in PHP. You first install it via Composer, then configure SMTP settings for secure email delivery. Next, you set recipients and content, including HTML formatting and attachments. Finally, you send the email with error handling to ensure reliable delivery. PHP Mailer offers professional email solutions with PHP, empowering you to send emails effectively and securely. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.